Now let's see the factory mode. The passport is 7646. Now we can see IFAN 0. This number is the air injection for the ignition. And this is the air injection, the bombing air. For fire 1 and fire 2, fire 3, fire 4. If the pellets too much in the burner, we need to increase this number to give more air for bombing and make it bombing quickly. And this is the feeding. This is the feeding for ignition. Now the number is 25. This 25 means every number is 5 seconds. 25 means 125 seconds. When we turn on the stove, the feeding motor will work continuously 125 seconds to give the pellets into the burner. And this is the feeding for fire 1, fire 2, fire 3, fire 4. And that means 20 means 2 seconds. 20 means 2 seconds. Now is the feeding stage for fire 4. For example, now is 5 means 5 seconds. The feed PR4 is 5 and the feed 4 is 20, means the feeding system will send the pellets send pellets 2 seconds in every 5 seconds. So it will work 2 seconds and stop 3 seconds and repeat again. This is for hot air fan. And also for fire 1, fire 2, fire 3, fire 4. And this is the clean time. Clean time means in every 30 minutes, the stove will use the biggest wind to clean the ashes inside of the burner. 30 minutes and use the forced air to clean the burner 30 seconds. These two, clean time and clean PR, they work together. Now is the feed delay. Feed delay means after the ignition successful, there are still too much pellets inside of the burner. So the feeding system will stop to work 180 seconds to consume some pellets inside of the burner to make it not too much pellets inside of the burner after the ignition. This is 180 seconds. This is fire up. Fire up means when the smoke temperature increase 12 degrees, the stove will judge the ignition is successful. And this is E3. E3 means when the smoke temperature go down, it keep going down 8 degrees, then the stove will judge the fire is not good, or the hopper is empty. And this is fire fan. Fire fan means when the smoke temperature increase 40 degree, and this hot air fan will start to work, because we should make sure it will not send the cold air. This is cooling delay. Cooling delay means when you turn off the stove will keep going to work 15 minutes to cooling the body, to cooling the inside. And this is the cooling fan. This is the fan speed, the power of the fan when the stove is cooling. This temperature over. Temperature over means in how many degrees the stove will judge the smoke fan is overheat. This is 35 means 350 degree. When the smoke temperature over 350 degree, and the stove will slowly the feeding to control the smoke temperature and the stove temperature. And this is the pressure for the chimney. And the pressure mode 0 is turn off, and 1 is turn on. And this is the mood. Mood means the 0 is air stove without the water. And 1, if we set 1 is the water heating stove. And test 1 is the testing mode for the pump. 2 is for the smoke fan, tested smoke fan. 3 is tested the ventilation fan. 4 and 5 is for testing the feeding motor. 6 is for testing the igniter. That's all. And this reset the hour is for reset the total working time of this stove. Here is for reset this time. And contact Wi-Fi. When we click it, the Wi-Fi will send the signal to the mobile to contact the Wi-Fi with mobile.